Hello everyone! Has it ever happened to you that you forgot where you put your keys? Or you walk into a room and you forgot why you came in the first place? Well, our memory is like a muscle, which is why when we don't intentionally keep it stimulated, it starts to wear off. But the good news is that you can instantly boost your memory by exercising your brain, no matter what your age. So today, let's learn a very simple exercise that you can use to sharpen your brain, which is using chopsticks. This is a very small brain-boosting exercise I learned from my coach, Sania, when I was taking her memory skills course. Of course, this is a very small part of the entire mechanism of how to use our powerful memory. So let's get straight into the exercise. What are the benefits of using chopsticks? Firstly, using chopsticks helps you develop and improve your coordination and accuracy of movement. Also, when we use chopsticks, the nerve cells in our fingertips directly stimulate our brain, which is why using the chopsticks helps us grow new dendrites in the brain. Now, dendrites are short, branched extensions of nerve cells along which impulses are sent to the cell body. And these dendrites are what assist neurons in communicating and creating a memory that we can recall when we need it. A scientific experiment actually showed that our brain and the cell bodies in our brain only create a long-term memory when the dendrites are activated in the process, which is why we remember some things and not others. So intentionally stimulating and creating new dendrites really helps you to improve your chances of remembering anything, as well as your brain health. You need a lot of focus and brain power to be able to use chopsticks, which is what makes them a simple yet effective exercise to keep your brain active. So to do this, you can take 2 small bowls and fill one with either raw beans or any type of small beads. And practice picking them up one by one using chopsticks and transferring them to the other empty bowl. It can be a little tricky at first, but trust me, with practice, your brain and your fingers will get accustomed to this new stimulation. I hope this brain-boosting activity is enjoyable for you as well as refreshing for your brain. And when you make small incremental changes in your lifestyle, such as adding brain-boosting exercises in your daily life, you will see that your memory and brain starts functioning better, and that will reflect in every area of your life. That was all for today. I will see you all in my next video, and until then, be happy and be joyful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then I have another brain-boosting exercise for you, which is writing with your non-dominant hand. This exercise helps you to sync your right brain side with your left brain side so that you can give your optimal performance in everything that you do. Here's a video on exactly how it helps you and how to do it. And for more brain tips, please subscribe. Thank you.